Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will try to restore my alloys. They are small, 15 inches, and if I would like to buy the new one I will pay over £400. If I would like to restore them in some professional garage I will have to pay at least £50 per one, but also I will need to go to the garage, leave the car for example for let's say 2 days. I'll be without the car, and actually that's not for me, so that's why I try to do it by myself. So I never did that before, and hopefully everything will be fine and I will be happy with the result. So let's start the game. Alright guys, so that's the alloy. As you can see, first what you have to do, you have to wash the alloy from both sides properly. After that I will use, actually I already used on one of them that paint stripper, but to be honest with you, with one of the alloy was make me more job, and I will try actually first wash the alloy, and after that I will use the sandpaper to remove all the shit from the top. That will be much easier than use first that things. I will go on that way. As you can see, it's something like corrosion, but it's not corrosion, it's like the paint going off from the alloy. It seems like someone painted that alloys before, but there wasn't properly job, something like a gypsy job, or was something wrong with the paint. Anyway, so like I said, first I'm gonna wash. After that I will try to remove everything from the alloy, and I will show you how I do it. First I'm gonna wash with the water. After that I'm gonna use drill and that kind of brush. As you can see, that's a very nice brush for alloys. It's actually the perfect one. So okay, let me do it. So now you can see exactly how this alloys looks like, and I need to remove all the paint around. That's why I'm gonna use the liquid, or like I said before, I will try to use sandpaper first, but I need to wait a little bit just to make it dry. Yeah, so let's start the fun. So the sandpaper discs are a little bit oversized, but there is some benefit about it, because look at that, I can use them on that way and just clear everything also on the side. So that's the bonus. Okay, let's do it. Alright guys, after 30 minutes with this little guy, which is very handy to be honest with you, the alloy actually looks like that. It's almost done. The biggest problem I've got on that part here inside, but I will manage. So I think that another 30 minutes, maximum 30 minutes, and everything will be removed. So after that I'm gonna wash the alloy, and after wash I'm gonna use this kind of liquid, which is surface degreasing agent, and after that I will just dry the alloy, and I will prepare the alloy for painting. So just to show you the difference, I decided to use that paint stripper, and I spray that worst difficult part of the wheel with the liquid, and I have to leave the liquid on the alloy around 15 minutes, But what is more important, you need to just keep an eye, because after 15 minutes that will be dry and we don't want that. So that's what the producers say. And yeah, so you can see there's something happening right now. And yeah, so I'll be back after 15 minutes. Alright guys, 15 minutes later. So now I'm gonna use the water and I will clean that and hopefully everything will be fine. Okay, as you can see, I'm started to clean the other side of the alloy, and yeah, I would say now looking good, almost, because everything was mixed like that, and you see this, that's, I would say, disgusting. So that's why I need to clean everything and prepare the wheel, actually the rims for painting. Alright guys, as you can see, the other side is done. I'm quite happy with that. And that's the first side, which is also looks good. Now I'm gonna wash the wheel, and after that I'm gonna use that liquid. Alright guys, so as you can see, I just rubbed the tire with the cling film, also tape for painting, and everything is ready for painting. What I'm gonna use, something like that, very simple things, the black mud, what I like. And also after that, like I showed you before, I'm gonna use the clear paint or spray lacquer, however you wanna call it. Okay, so let's start the game. Okay, and more important things, don't forget to cover that part of the wheel. Okay, and now I need a break, something like 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll be back and do it another 2 or 3 times, the same job. Alright guys, so that's after 3 times, and yes, I would say it's looking good. Yes, I will wait another few minutes just to make them completely dry, and I'm gonna use that clear lacquer. Yes, so I'm gonna use on the end of that work, and also I will have to paint the alloy from the inside there. Yeah, so that's very easy process. So that's the alloy, just take a look, and I can say looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful, for me anyway. So yeah, so now I need to just remove all the tape, and I can say the job is done. If I would like to restore the alloys in professional garage, I will need to pay at least £50 for one alloy. I did by myself, so all equipment what I need for that, the paint, the other stuff what you see from the beginning, I paid for that around 100 or 110 pound. So that means I save around 100 pound. So if I would like to buy similar alloys, I will need to pay over 400 pound. So I save 300 pound, and yes, like I said, I'm quite happy with that. So if you have spare time, if you would like to do something like that, you can manage, because I never did something like that in my life, so that was completely my first time. So if you would like to do, just do it. You will spend, for example, 100 pound, and you can just manage by yourself. Please let me know in the comment below what you think about this video, what you think about my job. And as usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and your 4 wheels, and see you next time.